Hey, I'm Darcy, and welcome to Screencasts Online. Following my love of apps that are minimal and functional, I present the note-taking app, Tot. Whenever I look at the Notes app on my phone, I'm constantly wondering when I'm going to tidy it up. I have hundreds of random notes that have accumulated over the years. Tot takes a different approach. It provides 7 spaces for your note-taking, with the intention of keeping it concise. It still has everything you actually need to write down your ideas, organize information, and share it elsewhere. So let's just jump right in. Tot can be found on the App Store and is available for iPhone, iPad, Mac, and even Apple Watch. For today's video, we'll predominantly be using an iPhone, just to show you how quick and accessible note-taking can be using Tot. As I mentioned earlier, Tot is broken up into 7 different spaces for note-taking. You can identify these spaces by the coloured buttons at the top. The first 3 pages of yellow, orange, and red are filled with helpful information on how to use Tot. Feel free to delete this later. For our demonstration, I'll head over to the 4th panel, which is coloured purple. So, what can we do in Tot? From the obvious, select the area and begin typing to take a note. Next, we can create lists by selecting one of the 3 icons above the auto predict on the right-hand side. You can choose between a dot, a dash, or a checkbox. I'll fill out the list, and notice that every time we hit return, it creates a new bullet point for the list. We can stop this by hitting backspace and deleting the checkbox. Tot has support for links, so I'll put a heading in. Head over to Safari, and copy the URL for our web page. Then I'll paste it into Tot. From here, I'll pull my finger down on the screen, which removes the keyboard and takes us out of editing mode. Now, when I tap the URL, it opens up into a browser, and we can view that website within Tot.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.